So this is our beautiful living space, and as of now, this is our kitchen where you get a granite platform. So this is your master bedroom of your 2 BHK sample flat. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Kera Tranquil, which is located opposite Lexicon International School, Wagholi, Pune, and is developed by V&J Developers. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office you get an internal road that directly connects you to the Bharat Mata Marg Road. Now, before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 1 acre of land parcel having 2 towers, in which you will be getting basement plus ground plus 11 floors having 2 BHK and 2 BHK duplexes premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. This project is located opposite Lexicon International School, Wagholi, Pune. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है लेक्सिकॉन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल विच इज़ 150 meters away, Kesan Fata bus stop which is 2 kilometers away, and Decathlon Wagholi which is 4.7 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you about the amenities of this project with the help of project's 3D model. This project has clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, sitting area, multi-purpose court, rooftop garden, and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of our 2 BHK sample flat which has 704 square feet carpet area. So this is your entrance, where just at the entrance you get a doorbell and a digital door lock to your door for security purposes. And then this is your entrance's lobby where you can set up your shoe rack and decorative items. Now let us check out our living and dining space. So this is our beautiful living space, and as of now the sales office has provided a 3D model inside your sample flat, but this will be your living space, where this is where you will get your couch setup space, and in front of your couch setup space you will get your TV unit setup space, and you also get an attached balcony to it. Which has anti-skid tiles, iron railings, and is 3-side cover. Now let me show you the dining space. So this will be a dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let us check out our kitchen. So this is our kitchen where you get a granite platform, and you also get a dry balcony attached to your kitchen where you have a sink attached to it, and you can set up your washing machine and utilities, and you also get a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your refrigerator setup space. Now let us check out our first bedroom. So this is our first bedroom, where this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get an attached window to it which has ventilation and natural lighting. Now before we move on to our master bedroom, which is the second bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out our master bedroom. But before we check that out, let me tell you that after your first bedroom you get a common wash room which has a wash basin, anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles. So this is your master bedroom of your 2 BHK sample flat, where this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get an attached window to it. for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. You also get an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Kerala Tranquil, which is located opposite Lexicon International School, Wagholi, Pune, and is developed by V&J Developers. To know more about this project, click on the link below to download your e-brochure and price sheet. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.